Hiya and welcome to another update video, approximately XRP. XRP seems to be in a range short market for now. This is the larger time frame rate chart here. And yeah, I imply on this chart, we are nevertheless looking for potentially one greater excessive. The query is in the intervening time, in particular on the smaller time frame, especially whether or not this wave 4 bottomed on Monday. So have we clearly began the fifth wave to the upside? The potential is there. The capability is definitely there for that. However, it is no longer really obtrusive yet at the smaller time frames. While I file this video, we have some upside momentum. It does appearance extremely promising. However, the moves are too small to be absolutely relevant for the bigger time frame in particular, right? So what we are tracking here is a shape that can get one more high. The aid area is currently defined among 120 and 210 on the bigger time frame. Most these days, that become this week, the rate dipped into this vicinity and is already starting to leave it to the upside, but it is usually feasible until we genuinely get a break above that 340 stage. That's the all-time excessive that a fourth wave extends. And then the rate might absolutely shape a larger wave 4. We should take into account this. That is why I said in one of the preceding updates that we could see this as a massive variety described between 120 and the subsequent larger diploma. Upside target at 420, and it could spend pretty a while on this range. I know it might be irritating, but XRP loves to do these items, but the component isn't always to get pissed off through it. Just be given it as it's far and make your trading selections based totally in this potential. So you have a support place, you have an X target, and you may trade the range in between. That being said, if we see any impulsive rally to the upside, it might be the start of wave 5 that may reach 420 next, maybe $5, and 660 could additionally be a stretch target. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for XRP. Specifically, I'm interested in the structure that evolved from the Monday low. What you may see here is that we're handling an initial rally categorized wave A or wave 1. It may be both, you realize. As I stated, the capacity is that the wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February, yes, but it can additionally still increase. This is not a lot vital inside the very short term. In the very short time period, we've got an aid region to look at as we're searching at the marketplace from an Elliott wave factor of view. It is a very complicated evaluation technique, and it takes a long term to study, to get enjoy in it. But what it really facilitates us to do, it's far to start with, a threat management method. However, it also enables us to outline the one's regions for wherein the rate ought to doubtlessly reverse from a nearby downtrend right into a nearby uptrend. And we already see a reaction right here. Now the microstructures, the labeling which you see here, isn't however important. We most effective use the labels, the so-known as wave counts, to define those stages. And there has already been a reaction to this place among $1.95 and $2.35. This is the aid place we are watching in the meantime. There are extra degrees at 2.11 and 2.22. We additionally have a preliminary breakout above the trend line, but all of this is too small to affirm that we've bottomed. Main takeaway right here is that as long as we are maintaining above $1.95, that's the decrease boundary of the assist location, we could even look ahead to higher expenses, yeah? But on the identical time, I cannot rule out that the vicinity might be tested over again. But my perspective is that that is simplest noise. So the fee may want to, do all styles of things in here. It isn't always so meaningful. When will the chart alternate or do something virtually significant? Well, if it breaks below $1.95, which would not be first rate as it shows the low hasn't fashioned at the 3rd of February, but then we are able to regulate or destroy above the inexperienced line at 270 due to the fact that would be a good Solid indication that a larger rally is unfolding, after which we simply need to be very close to the shape. Look at the shape to discover, is that this a rally to 420, or are we truly running on a much wider wave for a larger wave 4? This became simply the bigger corrective rally down in A. This is a B wave, and then we come down in wave C, and handiest the wave 4 that probably bottomed on Monday, never finished, or never bottomed. And this is the update, approximately XRP. Hope you appreciated the replace. If you probably did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And in case you in reality liked the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you are interested in the bigger image, large time frame evaluation, longer motion pictures, distinct production, exceptional, talks about geopolitical matters. Today I need to speak approximately, as an instance. Later nowadays, that video will pop out. How the tariff scenario within the US ought to have an effect on the markets, including the crypto market. So things like, so that it will be determined right here on this channel. So if you're interested in all that, make sure which you subscribe. You may try this without cost. Subscribe our MCO Global channel. This is our new important channel of MCO. And there may be, everything will run collectively here. Everybody will come together. All the MCO communities from the distinct sectors will come right here together. So the hyperlink is in the description and live tuned for further updates right here. Thank you very lots. Bye-bye.